Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can purchase player by rank in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So if you want to buy rank up player and you have so many coins, you can buy or instantly buy rank up player. So you don't need to train the player and just buy it as much as you want if you have the coin. So I made this video is for beginner that are new into this game. Previously this game is FIFA Mobile, but right now is EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So if you new if you new in this game and you have so much coin, please do it wisely. I give an example. Tap the market, tap the search, and this one, tap the rank. As you can see, there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 rank here. This is the top rank. Tap search, and this one, this very expensive. If you have so much coin you have and you think you can buy the player, you can do it. You don't have to train them. And tap the rank up, for example, one more time, and this is the silver or the gray one is the best player. This is cheap, so I recommend you that are new into this game, please just buy this player. Cheaper, and you can train the player by yourself. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.